you
Mhm.
found a discounted property. In your case, you renovated it. Or did you buy this one solo, or did you partner?
The first one we bought solo, and so we hired a contractor, but he was taking a long time. Like contractors, at least get 3 bids and then interview, vet, go and see what they've done, go call their testimonials, ask what properties and what projects they have right now, because
Mm-hmm.
it happened to a client of mine that it just he took him for everything he had, and 2 years later nothing had been done on the property. And so I'm like, I got involved. I'm like, forget this, I'm going to help you renovate this house and we're going to get it back on the market. So it's tough, but we did buy the first one ourselves, and we put about $30,000 into it. And so we bought it for 200, put about 35 into it, and we sold it for 310. So that was a good little chunk out of that
Mm-hmm.
huge amount that we had lost from Honduras.